IBM Maximo is a proven, powerful tool for managing your enterprise assets. And now your field workforce can tap into Maximo's power using a simple app. Interlock Mobile Informer is the next-generation mobile platform that sits inside of Maximo for developing and operating purpose-built apps. Mobile Informer works online and offline in real time with seamless Maximo updates. It has no middleware server, no data latency, and allows for unlimited records. Mobile Informer puts you in complete control, empowering your workforce with simple apps to run your business your way. Mobile Informer purpose-built apps exactly match existing business processes and provide for natural, intuitive, familiar screens that drive user acceptance. Native to iOS and Android and native to Maximo, Mobile Informer can mobilize any Maximo business process. Need Maximo linear or calibration on an app? Mobile Informer can do that. With Mobile Informer, your apps can provide optical character recognition, digitizing printed text so they can be electronically edited, searched, stored, displayed online, and used in Maximo processes. Voice detection, enabling your field workforce to perform status updates and searches and complete Maximo work orders by talking into their device. Redlining text, maps, or photos, enhancing work management or inspection processes, showing where work needs to be completed, highlighting items that need repair, and providing GIS or GPS map points. Near-field communications, facilitating interaction between devices and assets by touch or proximity, perfect for inspections and inventory apps. And fingerprint detection on devices, allowing you to meet the highest level security. Mobile Informer apps can use the latest device technology like iOS or Android wearables, providing for true hands-free mobility. Mobile Informer's purpose-built apps put you in complete control to run your business your way. Find out more about the enterprise-changing benefits of Mobile Informer by visiting www.interlocksolutions.com/mobile-solutions/informer.